Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be doing an empty house tour. So we'll be taking you through the house and show you what it looks like when there's nothing in it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ready? Come on, Mommy. Open the door.
It's empty. We do an empty house.
Let's go.
We do an empty house.
Welcome to the foyer. The foyer, for those people who don't know what that is, it's our main entrance area. Large ceilings, big round curved arches, very nice. A sense of grandiose and grandiloquence. And to your immediate left, through these two French doors, this will become the office or the office space. And so there it is. Big tall ceilings, very good for the heat factor because heat rises, so it all goes up there and doesn't bother you. Across the foyer, we are going to have the YouTube video room, the treadmill, and maybe Loca's beautifying station, her vanity table in here. Two big, beautiful, grand windows here. Lots of closet space in all the rooms.
Mom, it's my turn.
Hold on. Let's follow Daddy.
And down through this other little hallway here, we have bathroom number one.
Number one.
Empty, but usable.
Yep.
And this is going to be the
Yes, Mom.
guest bedroom, of course. This is when we have people over or just need some extra space. It will be in this room. And Manu's showing you the closets. There they are.
Good job,
In all their
Manu.
glory. Let's close it. All right, let's go. This is actually the guest bedroom in here.
Alright, bye-bye, guys.
1, 2, 3. Hey! Alrighty, let's keep moving. So let's go back to the foyer and start from there. And next we go into the big main living quarters. Please excuse that huge box. That's from our mattress. And we don't know where to put that ginormous box.
We just have to
But
put it
imagine
outside.
this box not here. This will be the dining room area with the chandelier. Chandelier, I'm gonna swing. And right here will be our coat closet area. People come over, little shoes, etc. Going there. And if you keep coming down this way, this is going to be the living room. You can see it's got these beautiful relief ceilings and a little accent lights up there that you can set the mood and turn the lights down low. It's got this big open space with hard tile. So you can practice your soft shoe.
Mom, it's my turn.
For lots of running space for the kids. Keep
Mom,
coming
it's
down this way.
mine.
Over here we have what's
Mr.
going to
B.
be Bhagavan's room. Way across, all isolated, so he can be a teenager all alone on this side. And he's got his own quiet space, his closet space, and he's got his own bathroom, which is
Can you
bathroom
believe
number
that?
2.
This is crazy. Like when I was growing up, I didn't even get a chance to have my own bathroom.
And he's gonna have to clean it and tend to it and take care of it.
And this is Mr. B's bathroom.
Also on this side is the access to the outside, our little lanai. Out here we have our enclosed space so bugs don't get to us. And we're gonna put some nice furniture, maybe a little barbecue, grill some stuff up. Keep it really serene, and then our beautiful backyard out there.
I love this.
Anu loves that.
So this is our little backyard. I really, really love it.
And let's hope we got big sliding doors so we can open up those doors and extend our living room. So have sitting space from the indoors all the way to outdoors. Let's go.
Let's go.
And across the living room we have the kitchen.
That's where all the magic will be happening.
This is the nice countertop space. We're thinking of putting some nice stools here so you can sit and have eat food there. This will be the breakfast nook, and it's got these beautiful bay windows, and let that beautiful morning sun shine in while you're eating. And now we're coming to Manu's room. Manu, there's your room. Go ahead.
Is that your room, Manu?
That's Manu's little room. That's when he's bad. Just kidding. That's a nice small little pantry here. All these appliances were already here, so this is the kitchen. Look at all that countertop space. We can even put beds up here and just sleep in the kitchen. That way we don't have to go very far to eat. Lots of storage space, which Loka likes. We can play good games of hide and go seek in all these closets, which is good. And voila! Lots of plugs we have here. Hook up all kind of things, make our kitchen creme de la creme. All right, let's go. And now to the other side of the house. Here we have our laundry room and mud room. This will be entrance into the garage where we got our nice new dryers, nice space gray, and we're gonna put some fun patterns on the background to create a little space here. This will be a mud room where we keep all of our shoes and coats and stuff, and there's Manu eager to do some laundry. Do you want to show him how that works, Manu? And he wants to show you we have a little water jet.
What?
Oh, it's broken. All right. And then we have our, unlock it, open it up, Manu. It goes into our garage. Big 3-port car garage. Lots of space.
Oh, thank you, Manu.
And so, yeah, we'll see what we can do with that. We were initially going to put Loka's treadmill in here, but it gets a little too hot and humid in there.
All right. Manu, are you gonna show your bedroom?
And let's go. You ready for bathroom number 3? This will be 3. Most people when they come over have access to this. And this is going to be the
Baby room.
living room.
As you guys can see, we haven't put anything. We haven't put anything here yet, and the baby can come like anytime, any moment right now. So we are still waiting for our stuff. What is the news? Like, what's going on?
I don't know. I think they lost it in Africa. Just kidding. I don't know where it is. It's only come from Pittsburgh, 14 hours away. But this will be a playroom. Become Manu in the baby's room. All the toys, we'll organize it, have shelves. But I'm sure they're gonna make a mess. Ready? Go!
This room is so huge. As you guys can see, we already have some baby stuff on top there.
Ready to go for baby to come. Alright, see you later.
Hey, open the door.
No adults allowed. Alright, now to the master bedroom. As Manu called us this morning, Your Majesties. This is the master bathroom. So the nice 2 his and hers sinks, big jacuzzi style tub,
Manu, be careful. Where's that?
a separate bathroom to do your business,
There's a door in there, so that's like really
and a
good.
big walk-in shower, which is nice.
I
Lots
think
of
4 people
space.
can walk in here.
Yeah,
To
right.
get
Probably
a
fit
shower.
20 people in there. Don't try that, kids.
Yes.
And we have not one, but 2 walk-in closets. Number 1 and number 2. We were trying to decide who has more stuff, and the grand tally was actually Loka
No,
had
you.
more, so we gave her
You.
the bigger closet.
This will be my walk-in closet. Look how huge that thing is. And my husband has one as well. But this is how things looks like around here. And then hopefully I'll be able to decorate it and probably change this light to like a really cute chandelier.
And this is the master bedroom area. Big bay windows, reliefed ceiling with mood lighting. And finally, our bed.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
It doesn't bounce.
That's silly. Thank you guys for watching. That was the empty house tour. And then we'll do a before and after. And you'll see the rooms before and after. If you like our video, give 2 thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. And we'll see you on the next video. Say bye, Manu. Bye.
Bye.